Hi everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, the student of Ristang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is the World War II. In this video, I will tell you about the major events that are happened during the Second World War. The Second World War is considered as one of the most deadliest war in the history of humanity because it causes the death of near about 70 to 85 million people. Among that, the 50 to 55 millions were the civilians and 20 to 25 million were soldiers which were died in the Second World War. The number of the peoples died in actual war is about 15 to 55 millions, and near about 90 to 28 million peoples were died because of a disease spread during the World War. So why the World War II is occurs? What is the main reason behind this World War? So the result of the First World War is the main reason behind the occurrence of the Second World War, because at the end of the First World War the Germany was badly defeated and they were considered as responsible for the World War I. Therefore Germany has to sign two treaties like the treaties of Versailles and the Treaty of Paris. Because of these two treaties, a lot of restrictions were imposed on Germany, and Germany has to pay unreasonable debt because of this war. And under the Paris Treaty, the Germany has to give their territory to their neighboring nations. So because of these two treaty, the Germany became economically very weak, and there was a political instability in Germany from 1990 to 1933. But in 1933 there was a rise of nationalism in Germany, and the Nazi leader Adolf Hitler is come into a rule. The Adolf Hitler was aimed to regain all the territory which they lost during the World War I. So the Germany decided to take all the lost region from the neighboring nation under the leadership of Adolf Hitler. So first the Germany planned the attack on Poland. Within the some days Germany completely occupied the Poland, but the France and United Kingdom they couldn't able to help the Poland. After some days the Germany attack on Norway, and along with the Norway they also attack on Denmark, and within a few days both the Norway and Denmark were occupied by the Germany. After that Germany planned attack on the Netherlands and Belgium, and they also occupied the territory of the Netherlands and Belgium. So as the days were passing, the Germany was occupied one by one nations of the Europe. Germany also attacked on France, and within the 15 days Germany defeated the France and occupied the entire territory of France. So within the period of the 6 months, the Germany established themselves into the entire Europe except the United Kingdom. So after the few days, the Germany planned to attack on a United Kingdom under the leadership of the Adolf Hitler. So there was a big fight between Germany and United Kingdom, but there was a strong oppose from the force of the United Kingdom, and the Germany lost to the United Kingdom. So the Adolf Hitler decided to stop the war against the Britain, but after that he decided to plan an attack on a Soviet Union, and this was the biggest mistake made by the Adolf Hitler in his life, because when he attacked the Soviet Union there was a strong oppose from the Soviet Union, and there was a big war between Soviet Union and Germany, and in this war the Germany was defeated to the Soviet Union, and the Soviet Union were the victorious in this war. It causes the death of near about lakhs of the German peoples and German soldiers. So hence it is considered as the biggest mistake of Adolf Hitler in his life. After some period of the time, the Germany attack on the America. Actually there was no conflict between America and Germany, but the reason behind this attack was Japan. because Japan was aim Japan aimed to dominate the Asia, and they occupied the various lands in the Asia, and there was a war between the Japan and China. And recently the Japan attack on the Pearl Harbor of the America, so the Germany also decided to attack on the America, and it is also his biggest mistake, because of the attack of Germany on America, the America become united with the Soviet Union, United Kingdom, and other allied nations. So these nations united with each other, and they enforced their army into the Europe, and they attack on Germany, and they completely destroyed the Germany. Because of this incident, the Adolf Hitler committed a suicide in 1940, and within the 8 days the Germany surrendered. But here in the Asia, the Japan was not ready to surrender, so the America gave them a warning to launch a nuclear attack if they do not if they do not committed a surrender. But Japan ignored the warning given by the America. So the America launched the nuclear attack on Hiroshima on 6th of August 1945. But still, Japan was not ready to surrender. So after the 3 days, on the 9th of August 1945, the America launched the second nuclear attack on Nagasaki. It causes the death of near about 2 to 3 lakhs of the peoples. So the Japan decided to surrender. So Japan was surrendered on 14th of August 1945. In this way, the Second World War was come to an end in 1945. So in this video I have discussed about the major events that are happened during the Second World War. Thank you.